How to dismiss alarm time hand-free on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So after click on advanced features, click on Bixby. So after click on Bixby, scroll down and click on talk to Bixby without wake up. So after click on talk to Bixby without wake up, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on timer and dismiss timer restart. So after the process, go back to home screen and go to app library and click on clock app. Now here so click on timer and select timer and click on start. So after click on start, so say dismiss. So after say dismiss, you will dismiss and restart. So you will see your timer is restart. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can dismiss alarm timer hands free on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.